Have you ever felt like life is an uncontrollable force, where your efforts seem futile, and things just don't fall into place? What if I told you there's a mighty force at play in our lives, a force we can harness to our advantage? It's called the law of assumption, a timeless principle that has been explored and studied for centuries. But what exactly is it, and how can we use it to manifest the life we truly deserve? Let's embark on a journey to understand the law of assumption and unlock the power within us. Essentially, this law asserts that our thoughts and beliefs mold our reality. In simpler terms, what we assume to be true about ourselves and the world will inevitably become our truth. Consider this: your mind is akin to a garden, where the seeds you plant, be they positive or negative thoughts, will sprout into your reality. If you consistently tell yourself you're not good enough or won't achieve your dreams, those thoughts manifest into your reality. Conversely, planting seeds of positivity and confidence will yield a reality aligned with those beliefs. The law of assumption's roots trace back to Neville Goddard, a key figure in mid-20th century metaphysical thought. Diverging from mainstream law of attraction principles, Goddard proposed that our reality is assumed, not attracted. Rather than projecting thoughts to the universe, our assumptions shape our reality. Goddard's core teaching emphasizes assuming the feeling of our wish fulfilled. This encapsulates the fundamental principle of the law of assumption: beyond mere visualization, embody the emotions, sensations, and attitudes associated with your desired reality. By doing so, you plant the seeds in your subconscious mind, creating conditions for your aspirations to bloom into reality. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. The law of assumption transcends philosophy, finding validation in neuroscience and psychology. Our subconscious mind, a powerful force processing information incessantly, acts as a fertile ground for the seeds of our assumptions and beliefs. Cognitive bias, or confirmation bias, dictates that our brain seeks evidence to reinforce existing beliefs, integrating them into our reality. A striking example of the mind's power is the placebo effect. In medical trials, patients improve when given a placebo, merely because they assume they're receiving effective treatment. This underscores how our beliefs influence our physical health, affirming the law of assumption's core principle. What we assume and believe becomes our reality. Imagine the universe as an expansive field of energy, each thought resonating at a unique frequency. This vibrational frequency, akin to tuning into a specific radio station, suggests that our assumptions, deeply ingrained beliefs, shape our behavior and attract outcomes. Our assumptions act as the steering wheel, directing us on a path aligned with our subconscious beliefs. To master the law of assumption, gain clarity on your desires. Visualize them vividly, using tools like vision boards or writing them down. Align your emotions with your desires through practices like meditation and affirmations, connecting with the emotions of having already achieved your goals. Live as if your desires are already realized, embodying the characteristics of your future self. Release doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs by journaling, affirmations, and cognitive reframing. Cultivate gratitude for what you have, creating a positive feedback loop that accelerates manifestation. Consistency is key. Make these practices part of your daily routine to deepen your commitment to your desires. Common mistakes include attachment to specific outcomes, neglecting action, and overwhelming oneself with multiple desires. Letting go of rigid expectations allows the universe to work in its own time. Action is crucial. Assume and visualize, but also take steps aligned with your goals. Focusing on one desire at a time fosters clarity, depth of belief, and consistency of action. Success stories, like Mahatma Gandhi and J.K. Rowling, exemplify the law of assumption. They assumed their success, believed in it, acted upon it, and witnessed their dreams turning into reality. Their journeys underscore how embodying the reality we desire directs our subconscious mind toward making it our reality. In conclusion, the law of assumption offers boundless possibilities limited only by your beliefs and imagination. Start practicing today, assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled. Remember, your journey begins with that first step. Embrace the belief in your ability to manifest, hold on to positive assumptions, and witness the universe unfold magnificently on the path to your dreams. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.